What's going on, guys? It's your boy Bass Addict, and I'm back with another video, man. In this video, y'all, I got a couple surprises for y'all. I know I ain't been posting lately, but like I told y'all in the other videos, when I go cold turkey, you know the grind is in full effect. So before we even get into this, and before I even show y'all what I even got going on, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and smash that notification bell. Smash that bell, y'all. Smash that notification bell, man, so y'all know every time your boy upload a video, man. But this video will be about the truck, man. I got some upgrade for the truck, and I think y'all gonna really like it. I really like it, and everybody that have seen it so far, they like it too, man. But I'm pretty much do a full walkthrough of my truck and the current setup that I'm running right now. No, it's not the big boy lift that I'm aiming for, but I guess you could say I'm getting my feet wet, if that makes sense to y'all. Y'all will understand when y'all see the truck, man. But I ain't gonna hold the intro long, man. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to talk y'all ears off. I want to get straight to the shit. Get straight to the shit, man. Get straight to the shit. I'm gonna let y'all see the truck. I'm gonna give y'all a walk around and let y'all know what's going on with it, man. This your boy Bass Addict. We are okay, I know y'all looking at the ground and all this stuff in my backyard and all that good shit, man. But before I show y'all the truck, I got to build up the anticipation, man. So this my backyard, all that good shit. You know what I'm saying? And and bam, here y'all go, man. I finally got a nice setup on the truck, man. Not a big lift kit at all. Not a big lift at all. But what I do have is a 3-inch max track leveling kit, only in the front. A 3-inch max track leveling kit. Y'all can see it right there on top of the strut. And I am running 22 by 12 on 33s. So yeah, to be honest with y'all, it sit up pretty goddamn high for what it is, y'all. It's only a leveling kit. It's only a leveling kit, man, but I can't explain to y'all how it feels when you're riding inside it. And the offset is a -44. Let me see, can I get y'all? Okay, y'all see it. It's a -44 offset. So, I mean, for them being 12 wides or whatever, I mean, I think it was the perfect setup. In my opinion, they 12 wide, not 14. So, it was a perfect setup. And if y'all can't tell, I did some trimming. Get down here, y'all see that I trimmed this and trimmed the front valence or whatever. But I'm not scrubbing in the front, but at full lock I am still hitting right here. If y'all can see that, it might be bad video or whatever, but I'm still hitting right here, y'all. So I'm about to do a little more trimming and all the other good stuff to get full lock out of it, but it still turned pretty damn good for what it is. On 33s on a leveling kit. The back still seeing how it was, seeing nothing different, nothing unusual. Just a leveling kit in the front, y'all. So yeah, did what I've been grinding. For y'all. Like I told y'all, whenever I go cold turkey and don't post video for like a week and a half, 2 weeks, the grind be in full effect, y'all. I be working, man. like working, pulling 16 hours, 2 or 3 days back to back, man. You know what I'm saying? In a good week, I do 40 hours in 2.5 days, man. I have 40 hours in 2.5 days. You feel me? And I work 5 days a week, so I be grinding, y'all. I love posting videos. I like posting videos. I love this shit, man. But to get the stuff and do the shit that I'm trying to do and achieve the goals that me and my wife that's in the house, you know, to achieve the shit that we trying to get, man, you got to grind for it. And I literally grind for it. Work 32 hours in 2 days, man. Operating on like 5 or 6 hours of sleep in 2 days, bro, is rough. So y'all got to bear with me and understand that, man. But the content is on the way, man, for sure. And I'm at the end of the video, if I don't be able to finish today, I will finish it tomorrow. I'm gonna give y'all a full detailed walk around every single thing that I have done to the truck, like everything from the music all the way down, like everything up to this point where it at now. And of course, we're gonna continue to upgrade and build on the truck, but I'm just giving y'all an update of what I've been doing. And while I went cold turkey for a week or however long it been since the last video, I'm just giving y'all a quick sneak peek of what's been going on, man. So like I always say, man, if y'all rocking with this video, man, y'all subscribe, man. You know what I'm saying? It don't cost y'all nothing, man. Like the video, comment. I'm open to all types of suggestions and everything, man. This is my first truck that I have ever owned, and this is the first off-road setup as far as tires and wheels, first ever, man. I done rode 26s, I done rode 22s, I done rode 20s, I done rode 24s, but this is my first off-road setup, period. My first truck, period. You know what I'm saying? So all this is new to me. It's a learning experience to me when it comes to a ride, lifted truck, level trucks, and all that stuff. It's all new to me, but I catch on real fast, man. Very, very fast, if y'all can't tell. But yeah. So I'm gonna give y'all a detailed walk around of the truck, man. That was a quick sneak peek of what I got going on with it right now. A 3-inch max track leveling kit in the front. Didn't do nothing to the back. And I got 22 by 12 on 33-inch tires, man. And she is beastly for what it is, y'all. Like, the truck beautiful, man. How else can I put it? The motherfucker is beautiful, y'all. So if y'all rocking with this shit, man, smash that subscription button, smash that like button, and let me know what's up, man. If y'all like the truck, leave me a comment or whatever. Like I said, I still am gonna do at least a 6 or 7.5 inch lift. I'm gonna keep the same rims, but I'm just gonna wrap the rims in like 35s instead of 33s, you know what I'm saying? But hey, I'm learning and I'm growing, y'all, and I got the grind to do that. So if I go cold turkey, just know he on his grind, he working on something, and next video he drop gonna be a banger, cause he got something different coming. So man, this your boy Bates at it. Let's get it.